When you want content quality, here's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family. The Delphi family.
Hey Squad.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are close to home and we got one of our neighbors here. So our neighbors I was just telling you that he's a bullseye. Because when you look around, he's the only one doing what he's doing. Alright, so I wanted to feature him today because it's right up our alley. You know what we've been talking about, high fuel prices, like to fill my tank at 10 grand. And if the lady say top up, it's going up to 12.
Yes.
Alright.
The recent video that we published, we were talking about Jamaicans migrating overseas because the cost of living, the quality of life here in Jamaica is things are very bad if you are a middle to low income earning family. Right? This is just the reality. So we have to be very innovative and we have to be thinking outside the box how we can save, you know. We are with Ronaldo. He is a DIY expert as it comes on to, how would you call it, renewable energy. You know? Yeah, man. So currently he is completely off the grid, right? Do you have a JPS bill?
Yes, approximately about $200 monthly.
$200.
Yeah, just to keep the line.
This video is brought to you by FlexiSpot Desk. They sent us this cool desk with height adjustment, and this is perfect for working from home. It's comfortable, it helps with your back. How much people have back pain when they work from home, right? So this is height adjustable. You can press this button right here, the up arrow for up, press the down arrow for down. And another cool feature, it also has 4 different memory heights. So Adrian went ahead and he programmed 4 different heights. So for our comfortable standing working height, we press number 4. You can put number 4 for whatever you want. So this is our comfortable standing working height, where we can work and do our things. How you have to do this, right? For our comfortable stool height, we press number 3 right here. So at this height we can comfortably work using the stool. This table is now adjusted to our chair height, and Adrian does a lot of work editing, and this is perfect for him. So he can adjust it to any height that is comfortable for him. No unchina back, no back pain, no neck pain, none of that. All right. And you can put all of your equipment here on the desk. I mean, look how big it is, right? You also have a drawer right here that you can keep all of your necessaries. You have your Type-C charging port right here on the desk. You can easily charge your phone or any other device. You also have your USB outlets right here that you can easily charge any other device that you need to charge. So this table is a awesome table, guys. Details are in the description below for purchasing.
Yeah. How much is our light bill? 25,000. Between 25,000 or more monthly. That's our electricity bill. So $200 per month just to keep the line, you know, versus our situation.
And that is with us conserving. Conserving. Let's put it real. Okay, we conserving over there.
Another big thing.
Yeah.
You see this car behind us? It's electric. He doesn't buy gas. He doesn't need to buy gas. He doesn't have to visit any charging stations. So currently, so currently his fuel cost is zero. No money to get him around, basically zero in terms of electricity charges. So today we're gonna ask him all about, you know, his steps, his process to achieving this. Yeah, man. So with us, as we say, Ronaldo.
Okay, good day, guys. My name is Ronaldo, Adrian's neighbor, working the purchasing at Sagicor.
So basically, you are a layman, you not know IT geek.
No.
You're
none.
not no car expert.
None.
You're not no solar system expert.
None.
You sure?
Positive.
You don't have nothing eyed up
Yeah,
and
why?
there's no little degree, no little nothing.
Nothing.
Well, that is what is so interesting about Ronaldo. Alright? So, why did you want push, go into, and how did you achieve this?
Well, before, for everything, I always like to save.
Yeah.
Plan, save, and
I like you.
budget everything. Right. I do like cars, that's the first thing.
Yes.
Yes, because he's a car enthusiast.
Yeah.
Yes.
He is one of the baddest ever around. So when they come on to the car shows, Vernon Field, all them places, people in the car world
Yeah.
would know Ronaldo. You know, how much horsepower you're
725.
725.
Yeah, you hear that rolls off the tongue. That rolls off the tongue easy, you know.
Yeah.
But still a DIY guy, easy going. Keep my budget and all of that.
Yeah, man.
So-
Awesome.
But that's great because you're like that, you're able to, you know, cut some
Yeah.
corners and reach and achieve some goals. So how did you, alright, so yeah, we want to save money. How did you even start? Because this is something that I would love to get an ear in.
Yes, yes.
So before the whole saving and all that, always doing some research, and when solar came out, started doing my research and hear about solar this and solar that.
Yes.
Say, okay, I want to try it and all of that. So I started with like 8 panels and 4 batteries at the time. Heard that I could add and add and add. So started out with that. Continued there, doing my little addition, do it myself.
Yourself.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah,
That's
did my
the
research,
interesting part.
read up, did it myself.
So
with some
how do you-
assistance of putting the panels on the roof.
Yeah,
Oh, so-
like manpower. That's literal manpower
Oh,
assistance.
so you literally, so even the connection to the house?
Everything.
You did the
Just
connection
the-
to the house? Oh, that's
So just the manpower putting up the panels.
really no electrical work. Alright, listen, I'm proud of
With the
you.
assistance of
Yes.
my cousin,
Yeah.
helped me to wire there.
Yeah.
Tell me what to wire there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you see that? Listen, I'm proud of him. I am so proud of you.
Basically, you started off just, 1 or 2 panels.
Yes, small.
Awesome. All right. One of the, a lot of persons maybe aspire to getting their own solar system to coming off the grid in its entirety, right? But a lot of persons think about.
I aspire to that.
Yeah, of course. But of course, people think about the cost, think it is very expensive, because sometimes we approach some of the solar companies around and we hear some exorbitant amounts of
And
money.
that's the first thing that they tell you. So when I would call the companies previously and I would say, so this is my light bill, they will ask the light bill, this is my light bill, this is the amount. I know that, it's a lot, but what can we do? First thing them tell me, what, 1.9 million, 2.3 million,
yeah.
and that's what they're hitting me with. So afterwards, now when I call them, I'll be like, so what if I just buy 2 panels?
Yeah.
What if I go and buy my panel them from you? And what if I buy an inverter? And what is the type of inverter that you have? What are the differences? See, that's one of the things too that I
Yes.
really cheer you for, because it's not easy finding out what is the best,
Best one,
the best
yeah.
one, the best batteries, the best inverters, the best panels for the roof. So for you to do that, you're like a mastermind.
Ronaldo, you actually imported your system, you basically imported and you added on as
Parts of the
time goes
system.
by, right?
Right. I bought the panels here, but I imported the batteries and other stuff.
Do you find that it's more economical to do it that way, or is it that you have a brand way you
because
want?
no, more economical, because the cost for the batteries that the suppliers will sell you for is easier for you to carry it in, and no much markup or anything.
Oh.
So you carry it in yourself.
Plus, important to note too, the government actually have been reducing the customs duty, the taxes overall
on solar items.
solar and energy solutions. Ronaldo, before he got his electric vehicle, he was actually, so he basically had his solar system for his house. He can run AC 24/7, not have to worry about the big light bill at the end of the month.
Radam is right.
So till eventually he got the car and then he installed his own charging station here at his home.
Yes.
Alright, and we're gonna show you that. But Cass, what kind of more question you have before we go into that?
Well, my question is really like, how do we, the layman like myself, researching? Like, where do you start in terms of finding the brand that you want, the type of batteries, the type of this, the type of that, and how scary was it venturing into it at first? Because that's it, you know, sometimes we're just scared to lose money.
For
and
me,
to,
it was just more reading.
You're a scholar,
And
so you're a student.
yeah, so just more reading and to choose not the right brand. You're going to have other persons giving other opinions, and so you will not know
That
the
is true.
right brand to choose from. You have to just decide, alright, I'm going to take a chance with this brand, or I'm going to take a chance with that brand.
Right.
And it works for me, what
It works
I
for
did.
you.
Good.
So
starting off a little, and then adding on.
Right. But what I would suggest, you only start small with panels.
Yeah.
For the inverter, you
Buy
just
the
do
right one.
Right one,
Yeah.
one time. Charge controller, right one time.
Alright, I'm gonna mention that. So, say for example, an average household, maybe 300 kilowatts for the month. How much money I look for spend on an inverter?
For a reasonable good one, I use Snyder, 4,000 watts, and that's maybe like 230,000.
That's converting to Jamaican dollar after importation?
No, the inverter is not imported.
Oh, you bought it here?
Yeah, man. The panels and inverters were bought.
Oh, the
batteries
panels.
inverted.
The batteries
Okay.
were
Imported.
Okay.
And then the batteries, them are the one where really
The
leak,
more
you know.
expensive.
The batteries, them are the one that really leak.
Yeah.
So that is really nice. Really
So you go ahead, you buy your inverters from the supplier. Because if you go to other places, they're gonna charge you, they're gonna put additional markup.
and everything.
Yeah, that's
I
great,
like
that's
that.
great, that's great.
Listen, Ronaldo, you're my goal. I said it already, like, this is my goal,
Yeah, been
okay?
telling you.
Because one of the things that I've always dreaded in my life is paying rent and JPS. And AJ will tell you, when I was younger, I remember my mom just getting this wicked $10,000 bill. And that was way back when light bill did a little bit, like $2,000, and that was still expensive. And then to get this big $10,000 bill, and then for months you'll be getting $10,000 bills, and we wouldn't know what to do because we're not using anything different, nothing is happening. And I think it's probably from that I got the JPS gear. But now I pay JPS no money.
But even for me, before the whole solar, doing my research, I went like LED bulbs, fridge timer,
Yes.
all of those small stuff before to do some saving before even the solar panels and all of that.
So I like that.
Yeah.
So you got the batteries from overseas. So how many batteries you have?
Well, for me, I use 2-volt batteries. I have like 24 of them.
24 2-volt batteries.
Yeah,
And
because
like
my
how much
system
one of
is
them
at
would cost?
24 volt. One battery is like about $170 for one battery.
Yeah. And you have how many of them you
I
say?
have 24 of them.
24 of them.
Yes.
And that's gel batteries I use.
The gel.
Yeah, not lithium, gel for now.
That's the older type.
Yes.
So what I really like about this is everybody can literally take away from Ronaldo a lesson. You don't have to have the big money to do everything one time, because
Piece.
exactly who really has money to do that. But saving is also important. You need to save.
Yep.
Right? You need to save and spend wisely. You can have your little things where you like, right? Like Ronaldo's fast car. But then you have to know how to prioritize and how to save and get stuff done. And I like that.
Yeah, man, because we know this is a costly venture, but it is worth it in the end, because currently JPS bill not going down. It's not reducing, it's going up. Fuel cost is going up. Alright, so any which way we can conserve or save save money, we can do that. So we're gonna show you a bit about this vehicle right here,
So I have two questions about the car. So what is the drive like? What is the drive like?
Very smooth.
Very smooth.
Quick.
Yeah, it's quick.
That's it. Very quick.
Quick.
Accelerate. Quick.
Yeah.
You must know enough cars. So
For a
what
small
kind of
car.
Yes.
what kind of car is it?
Well, it's a Nissan Leaf.
Nissan Leaf. This is a 2017
2017
Nissan Leaf.
Yes.
Pop the,
Right
pop
here we
the
have the
hood.
charging station.
Oh, this is a charging. You can open it first. I can see. Listen, we down here in Jamaica, we may not be able to afford the we call that the brand overseas.
Tesla.
The Teslas, but we can afford the Nissans, okay?
Hey, but at least we have a charging station. Eventually, we can upgrade to the Tesla.
Of course, Tesla come in the future. I see it.
Right.
So this is where it plugs
Charging
in.
station. And it have lights, so even at night you can plug in. Nice. Let us see under the hood. That.
And this is the motor.
They call it
oil,
motor, not
Motor, not
engine.
engine.
Not engine, but
Motor.
motor. Okay. Alright.
Nice and clean. You see, I had a car there that just appear idling at the engine.
Alright, so you came home not too long ago and it's not hot.
Right.
It's not hot.
Less heat.
Less heat.
Doesn't use oil, no transmission fluid, so that's more saving.
No
No
oil,
liquid,
no transmission
other oil
fluid.
from brake fluid.
So what is the servicing of this kind of vehicle?
There is none. The only thing is battery. So for a period of years, the battery will go, but that's the only servicing and this pad.
Yeah,
And this
just
pad.
this pad and the battery.
No other maintenance.
Yeah.
Tires as usual, regular tires and brakes.
Yeah, everything is regular. Well, boy, may I tell you, this is more than missing now. $40,000 plus $25,000, almost gone already per month.
Yeah.
Like this is goals, people. This is goals. All right.
What are you talking about?
I mean, $10,000 worth of gas for the month. That is
No, per week. That's
Per
you.
week.
If you
Yeah,
drive a
for
bigger
$10,000.
engine,
Yeah,
different thing.
different thing for a
Jesus.
That's
bigger
your
vehicle.
small car. But there are some vehicles with a 2.5 litre engine or a 3 litre engine
Yeah.
where, to full up is 15,000.
Yeah, 14.
Yes.
Right?
My CRV used to be 14,000.
14,000
Yes, you see that?
and you full up how many days for the week?
Well,
Alright,
normally to full it was
for a week.
full it for a week. I would get like a week and a half drive
Week
from
and a
it.
half. Alright, so the gas bill, your previous gas bill that you had before you changed this vehicle was around 30,000 to 40,000 per month, right? 4 12 40, that's a 480,000 per year.
Yes.
The light bill roughly the same, argument's
the same,
sake, just
yeah.
argument's sake, another 480,000. That's almost $1 million per year right there.
Yeah.
Right? So your solar system that you set up, about how much you think it cost you to set it up?
Close to $1 million. I recently added 2 more panels now,
Yes.
so I got a little over $1 million. But yeah.
So,
And that is reasonable. That's
so-
reasonable, bad enough.
Yeah. So in a year, so after he set that up, spend little over $1 million, in a year him already recoup the money.
Wow.
In the energy savings, from the gas and the electricity bill.
High five.
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah, man, so
I
this
see
is
what's
awesome. So, this kind of vehicle is new to a lot of us. So where are the battery? Where's the battery? Where's the battery?
Well, you actually can't see the battery now, but it's under the car.
Okay.
Oh,
So the battery
okay.
is under the car. The
Okay.
battery that runs the car is under the car.
Okay.
And it's
There's a
like,
12-volt battery for just the headlight and all of that.
oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
okay.
Awesome.
And this is a regular car that you drive, right? It's just that you ain't got no gas bill.
All right. One important thing, we had discussed this the other day. See, Jaden running up all over the place. All right, so, boom, when you charge up this car now, how many kilometers you get off
like-
one full charge?
Like 200 kilo.
200
and a
kilo.
little bit, yeah. Depends on how you
200
charge it.
kilometer.
Yeah.
So that means
so
that
that's a
I
week.
can-
That's a week.
Yeah, I drove it for a week and still have battery power left.
All right. So from Portmore to Kingston daily.
Daily.
So
yes.
that's one full charge.
Yes.
Boom, 1 week. So basically, what he does is he charge on the weekend. He plugs in on the weekend for the most part.
Yes.
There are charging stations everywhere.
No, yeah, there are a lot of charging stations setting up now.
We've seen a few around Portmore, right? So there are charging stations around, and if you go on the internet, go on Google,
Ever go on JPS.
you'll see them all around.
There's a lot that you can accomplish, and there are people out here who are accomplishing so much by doing research and putting in the effort, putting in the plans, and I'm just amazed because this is literally my goal. Okay.
Right. So Ronaldo doesn't have to purchase charge outside, but if he does, like, basically for one full charge, how long does it take to charge?
Well, you have a rapid charger and you have a level 2 charger. A rapid charger, you only can get up to 80%. If you are halfway in, maybe 4, 6 hours, 8 hours, depends on your battery percentage. So maybe from a 20% to a 80%, it might work out to maybe $1,500 at the most, if anything.
$1,500. That's when you pay $1,500 Jamaican dollars. That's for a full charge.
Not a full charge.
Like 80%.
80%. Yes. So the charging station, the fast charger will not give you 100% because it will damage your battery because of the fast charging will only charge you to 80%, not 100%.
$1,500 for 80%. That's like more than 3/4 tank.
Yes.
If you want to use that term, right? If you go to the gas station, you're gonna have to, for this type of vehicle, you're gonna have to spend around $10,000
for 3/4.
You know, so even without his system at home, you will still be saving.
Yes.
If you have a system at home.
Yes,
wow.
yes.
I like you guys. So you're hearing it, you're seeing it in live and living colors. All right, this is possible. So for y'all out there who have this as a goal as well, or for you guys who never knew that this was possible in Jamaica, it is. All right. So hope you were inspired. So Ronaldo, it was great, you know, having us impose in your business.
Yeah, man.
And showing us all of what you have going on right here. I really appreciate it. I'm sure a lot of the persons watching this video is going to be just wow and be like, yeah, that me want to. That me want to too.
Yeah, man.
Yes, don't it? Let us know in the comment section, all right? What y'all think about this and these big, humongous savings, all right? So, from the Del Pratt family, remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell, put the setting on all, give us a thumbs up on this video, and
Peace.
peace.